unmatched durability and performance. Strong and durable chassis. It's engineered, it is equipped with advanced, independent, luxurious interiors, rainwater harvesting systems, and energy-efficient Intech ODR. Every journey becomes an impressive design. Built on powerful and durable modern components, allowing travelers to travel in most confidence. The Airstream Tradewind is a modern travel trailer that carries forward Airstream's legendary design while introducing advanced features that make it one of the most versatile options for today's adventurers. Its polished aluminum exterior immediately stands out, reflecting the timeless aerodynamic silhouette that Airstream is known for, while incorporating rugged enhancements that prepare it for journeys both on and off the beaten path. Step inside, and you're greeted with a thoughtfully designed interior that balances elegance with practicality. Spacious living areas are fitted with stylish, high-quality furnishings that create a warm and inviting atmosphere. A well-equipped kitchen provides all the essentials for cooking on the go, while the comfortable sleeping quarters ensure restful nights no matter where your travels take you. The layout maximizes every inch of space, blending efficiency with comfort, making it suitable for quick weekend escapes as well as long cross-country expeditions. What truly sets the Tradewind apart is its readiness for off-grid adventures. Featuring a 3-inch suspension lift, rugged, all-terrain tires, and an impressive power system, it's built for resilience and independence. The robust electrical setup includes a large 810-amp lithium battery bank paired with 600 watts of solar capacity, ensuring reliable energy far from traditional hookups. This makes it easy to explore remote locations without sacrificing modern conveniences. Durable, stylish, and engineered with forward-thinking technology, the Airstream Tradewind is more than just a trailer. It's a gateway to freedom, adventure, and the luxury of feeling at home wherever the road may lead. The Becker Mercedes-Benz Sprinter Jet Van is a masterpiece of luxury vehicle conversion, taking the versatile Mercedes Sprinter platform and transforming it into an elegant mobile office and entertainment lounge. Designed for those who demand exclusivity, comfort, and sophistication while traveling, this van redefines what luxury on the road can be. Every detail has been carefully crafted to create an environment that balances productivity and relaxation, making it a preferred choice among executives, celebrities, and high-profile travelers. Inside, the jet van showcases meticulous craftsmanship and cutting-edge technology. Passengers are welcomed into a space fitted with plush leather seating that offers supreme comfort, whether for long journeys or short commutes. The interior is equipped with state-of-the-art entertainment systems, including high-definition displays, surround sound, and advanced connectivity options, allowing occupants to enjoy movies, music, or even conduct meetings seamlessly. With high-speed internet and integrated office features, the jet van ensures productivity never needs to pause while on the move. Beyond technology, the design emphasizes elegance and functionality. Subtle lighting, fine finishes, and ergonomic layouts give the cabin the feel of a private jet, which is exactly what the jet van is modeled after. It's not just transportation, it's an experience that allows passengers to travel in privacy, comfort, and style. Whether being used as a mobile boardroom, a luxury lounge, or a personal retreat, the Becker Mercedes-Benz Sprinter Jet Van sets an unmatched standard in bespoke travel, embodying exclusivity and innovation in every detail. The Brooder EXP7 is a premium off-road camper trailer created for travelers who want to combine rugged adventure with modern luxury. Built on a strong and durable chassis, it is equipped with advanced independent suspension that provides outstanding ground clearance and stability, making it capable of handling rough trails, rocky paths, and uneven terrain with ease. Its robust design ensures that no matter how challenging the journey, the trailer delivers reliability and comfort every step of the way. Inside, the EXP7 has been carefully engineered to maximize both functionality and space efficiency. The interior layout includes a cleverly designed combined shower and toilet area, making the most of the available space without sacrificing convenience. The versatile kitchen setup allows for both indoor and outdoor cooking, giving travelers the freedom to prepare meals in any setting, whether under the open sky or in the comfort of the cabin. Energy independence is another key feature of the EXP7. Powered by solar panels, onboard batteries, and supported by an optional generator, it enables extended off-grid living, making it ideal for long expeditions far from civilization. This self-sufficiency, paired with its luxury finishes and thoughtful design, makes the Brooder EXP7 not just a camper, but a true mobile retreat. Whether you're venturing into remote wilderness or setting up camp in a scenic, untouched landscape, the EXP7 delivers a unique blend of toughness, style, and convenience, turning every trip into an extraordinary experience. The Earth Roamer XVLTS is a top-of-the-line luxury expedition vehicle, crafted for those who want to embrace true off-grid adventures without sacrificing comfort or convenience. Built on the powerful and dependable Ford F550 Super Duty chassis, it combines rugged strength with refined design. Its robust diesel engine and four-wheel drive capability ensure that it can tackle some of the harshest terrains, from rocky mountain trails to sandy deserts, giving explorers the freedom to travel far beyond the beaten path. Step inside, and the XVLTS transforms from a rugged overlander into a luxury home on wheels. The spacious interior is designed with thoughtful detail, offering a fully equipped kitchen for preparing meals, a comfortable sleeping area, a modern bathroom, and a cozy living space. High-end finishes and smart layouts make the cabin both functional and inviting, perfectly balancing practicality with elegance. What sets the Earth Roamer XVLTS apart is its advanced self-sufficiency. Outfitted with powerful solar panels, a large battery bank, and a water filtration system, it allows extended stays in remote areas without the need for external hookups. This makes it ideal for long-term off-grid living and exploring untouched destinations while maintaining all the comforts of modern life. With its combination of rugged durability, cutting-edge technology, and luxurious interiors, the Earth Roamer XVLTS has earned its reputation as one of the ultimate overlanding vehicles. It appeals to adventurers who seek independence, capability, and style, making every journey an extraordinary experience. The Aqua House is a bold and futuristic living concept that reimagines life on water, merging sustainability with modern luxury. Designed as both a home and a serene eco-retreat, it offers a lifestyle that is not only unique but also environmentally conscious. Every detail of its design focuses on minimizing impact while maximizing comfort, making it a perfect choice for those who dream of a self-sustaining yet sophisticated way of living. Equipped with advanced solar panels, rainwater harvesting systems, and energy-efficient technologies, the Aqua House ensures independence from traditional utilities. It is built to provide a truly self-sufficient lifestyle, allowing residents to live comfortably off-grid while still enjoying the conveniences of modern living. By integrating renewable energy and resource management into its very foundation, it sets a new benchmark for sustainable architecture. The interiors are equally impressive, showcasing a sleek modern aesthetic with high-quality finishes. Expansive panoramic windows flood the living spaces with natural light and offer breathtaking views of the surrounding water, while multi-level decks provide open-air areas for leisure, dining, or simply soaking in the peaceful atmosphere. Blending cutting-edge innovation with the tranquility of nature, the Aqua House creates a harmonious balance between technology and serenity. It is not just a place to live, but an immersive experience that transforms the way we interact with our environment, making waterborne living both practical and inspiring. The InTech OVR is a versatile line of adventure travel trailers built to handle the challenges of off-road exploration while still providing the comforts of home. Engineered with rugged durability at its core, each trailer features a fully welded cage and frame construction, ensuring long-lasting strength and the ability to withstand rough terrain and demanding travel conditions. Despite its compact and aerodynamic exterior, the OVR surprises travelers with a spacious and thoughtfully designed interior that balances practicality with comfort. Inside, every detail is crafted to enhance the adventure experience. The well-equipped kitchen allows for convenient meal preparation on the go, while the cozy bedroom area provides a restful retreat after a day of exploring. The interiors are smartly laid out to maximize usable space, incorporating clever storage solutions and functional living areas that make extended trips both practical and enjoyable. The OVR is designed for those who crave freedom and adventure, whether venturing deep into remote wilderness or simply enjoying a unique way to connect with the great outdoors. Its combination of off-road capability, modern amenities, and stylish design makes it a reliable and attractive option for travelers who refuse to compromise on either comfort or performance. With the InTech OVR, every journey becomes not just a trip, but an immersive adventure where durability meets lifestyle. The HGV Helios 26-ton horsebox is a premium equestrian transport vehicle that brings together luxury, safety, and functionality in one impressive design. Built on a powerful and durable 26-ton chassis, it delivers outstanding stability and performance on the road, ensuring a smooth and reliable journey for both horses and passengers. Its robust engineering makes it suitable for long-distance travel and demanding conditions, while its thoughtful design places equal importance on the comfort of the animals and the convenience of their owners. The horse area of the Helios is carefully crafted with the well-being of the animals in mind. It features padded partitions for safety, advanced ventilation systems to maintain fresh airflow, and secure tie points to keep horses comfortable and protected throughout the journey. Every detail is designed to reduce stress for the animals, making travel safer and more comfortable during competitive events or long relocations. Beyond the horse compartment, the living quarters are designed to provide a true home-away-from-home experience. Equipped with a fully functional modern kitchen complete with essential appliances, it allows for easy meal preparation on the go. A cozy sleeping area ensures restful nights after long days on the road, while a stylish bathroom fitted with a shower, sink, and toilet adds an extra layer of comfort and practicality. With its blend of rugged performance and luxury interiors, the HGV Helios 26-ton horsebox is more than just a transport vehicle. It's a refined travel solution that caters to both horses and their owners, making every journey efficient, safe, and enjoyable. The Adria Twin Sports is a camper van that has captured the attention of travel enthusiasts by perfectly blending style, innovation, and comfort into a compact yet versatile design. Built on the dependable Fiat Ducato or Citroën jumper base, it offers the strength and reliability needed for long journeys, while also providing the flexibility to cater to different lifestyles. Whether you're a solo traveler seeking independence, a couple chasing adventure, or a family looking for memorable road trips, the Twin Sports has a layout designed to meet your specific needs. One of its standout features is the clever pop-top roof, which not only expands the living space, but also provides an additional sleeping area, making it far more adaptable than traditional camper vans. This feature transforms the van into a multi-purpose space that feels open and accommodating, even during extended stays. Inside, the attention to detail is clear. The interiors are thoughtfully planned with smart storage solutions, durable yet elegant finishes, and a modern aesthetic that creates a warm and inviting atmosphere. Designed to perform well on both rugged back roads and smooth coastal highways, the Adria Twin Sports combines practical functionality with enjoyable travel. It delivers the freedom of the open road while ensuring comfort and convenience every step of the way, making it an ideal choice for anyone who dreams of blending adventure with a touch of home-like luxury. The Winnebago Forza is a premium Class A diesel motorhome that redefines what it means to travel in comfort and style. Built on a strong Freightliner chassis, it delivers not only durability, but also a smooth and powerful driving experience, making it an excellent choice for long-distance road trips. Designed with both performance and elegance in mind, the Forza is more than just a vehicle. It's a true home on wheels. Step inside, and you'll immediately notice the spacious, thoughtfully designed interior that reflects Winnebago's attention to detail. The Forza features a fully equipped kitchen with modern appliances, allowing travelers to prepare meals on the go without sacrificing quality or convenience. The living area is cozy yet refined, offering a welcoming space to relax after a day of exploring. Its modern bathroom ensures practicality and comfort, while the sleeping quarters are designed for restful nights, with layouts that cater to different travel needs and family sizes. With multiple floor plans available, the Forza adapts to a wide range of lifestyles, from couples seeking a luxurious getaway to families embarking on cross-country adventures. High-quality finishes elevate the interior, giving it a polished, residential feel. Beyond comfort, the motorhome integrates advanced technology for ease of use and comes with ample storage space to keep everything organized during extended trips. Combining reliability, style, and luxury, the Winnebago Forza is a motorhome built to make every journey as enjoyable as the destination itself. The Armadillo Conquistador T is more than just a recreational vehicle. It is a statement of adventure, luxury, and innovation, crafted for those who refuse to compromise on comfort while exploring the most remote corners of the world. Built on the dependable and powerful Mercedes-Benz chassis, this off-road giant delivers unmatched durability and performance. Its engineering ensures that even the most rugged and unforgiving terrains can be crossed with ease, making it the perfect companion for explorers who crave both freedom and reliability. Step inside and the Conquistador T reveals a world of luxury that rivals high-end apartments. The spacious interior has been carefully designed to maximize comfort, featuring an elegant living area ideal for relaxation, a fully equipped kitchen that allows for gourmet cooking on the go, and comfortable sleeping quarters that ensure restful nights no matter how far you've ventured from civilization. One of its most remarkable innovations is the side-opening expansion system, which seamlessly transforms the vehicle into a versatile indoor-outdoor living environment. This unique feature extends the usable space, offering travelers a perfect balance between enclosed comfort and open-air connection with nature. Blending ruggedness with sophistication, the Armadillo Conquistador T truly redefines what an off-road RV can be. It is not just about traveling, it's about experiencing the world with a sense of style, independence, and boundless possibility. Whether crossing deserts, climbing mountain paths, or venturing deep into wilderness, the Conquistador T stands as the ultimate fusion of power, elegance, and cutting-edge design.